Hello and welcome to Trains in Viatic. You most probably are expecting my live stream with the latest news. Unfortunately, I'm not up to the computer today, so I'm going to give you this video instead. So I have a box here, and you can see from the label is a from Modelu. You'll be wondering who or what Modelu is. Well, I gave you a little teaser at the end of the Rarettes video. So what I'm going to do is quickly unbox this. I have already done it, but I'll show you again. Then I'll show you a video of what happened at Rarettes relating to this. Then I'll do a review of them. So let's get on with opening the box. I did open the box beforehand because it was delivered much quicker than I expected. And then I did open it before just now because I forgot to turn the sound on my mics. So I'm so professional there. So well, here's the box. Well packed. And you've got two little versions of me. Actually, you got a third one as well, but because I didn't have my mic on, I'll show you him as well later on. So what I'm going to do is put you onto the video of me being 3D scanned. Then after that I'll do a quick review of these, and then I'll show you me placed in a little scene. So let's go to the video of me being scanned. So this is me being scanned. You can see the gentleman here, which I can't remember his name, scanning me with a tablet. You can see the blue device on the tablet. This is what's actually doing the scanning. And every now and again you can see on the screen the image of how the system is seeing me. This is what you can see just now. As he moves around, he actually capturing all the features, including stuff like my bag, my shoes and everything. This is then sent to a computer whereabouts it's inputted, and you can see me in full colour and full 3D image of me. Either the label on my badge, my fat stomach, my watch, my beard and all the other details. This is the 3D printed version of me. The third one also came on this as well, but I cut it off so I could show you one freestanding and then what it's delivered like. So you'll see on front of me, you can see I've got something on my shoulder which is my camera bag, and you can see the other side of me. So what you have, these bits which I have cut off is actually used for the 3D printing. So you've got the base with little access bits there, then you've got, these are old support material, that's what's referred to in the 3D printing world. So this is how you can print beyond the standard shape, as these have all been 3D printed. I think these are amazingly detailed. You can see my bag, you can see my hairstyle, or what is supposed to be a hairstyle. You can see the strap on my camcorder bag. You can even see the creases in my trousers. So this I'm using to point with is a cocktail stick, just to give you some ideas of how big it is. So what I'm going to do now is put it in a little scene I have on my desk, so that you can see how well I actually fit. First of all, I'll apologise for the stick. This scene isn't designed for sticking people to, therefore the fluffy grass is in the way, but I wanted to put me off the base against the fence to give you some idea of the height. So I've just put a cocktail stick behind. So you can see that the fence comes just above my middle, which is what you would expect with a real fence. Then on the arm stable, you can see that I'm about the right size to go through that door, and I can fit underneath there quite nicely. Reason I've done it like this is you've got to step up there, and with a little bit of support material you can see how it does. But you can get yourself printed in many scales. If you want to refer to their website, it should be down the bottom of the screen now, as long as I remember to. And I think it's such a brilliant feature. I got 3 of myself to put around the layout. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you very much to Modelu for allowing me to film the 3D scanning procedure. I think this is a lovely feature to put in your layout. I do need to be painted. That's going to be a long time off. And if I ever decide I want another one of me, I can just get myself reprinted. Or if I want myself in a different scale, I can get myself reprinted. I had this done at Rarettes, and they do go to other shows. If you go to their website, you'll be able to get all the details. They also have some stock images which you can also get printed. So I think this is an awesome product. So thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. My next video will be up on Saturday like normal. So thank you for watching. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe and comment. And see you on Saturday. Thank you very much. Richard.